Welcome to this glute strengthening routine with low impact gentle exercises to help you support your hips and also relieve some lower back pain and tension. We're gonna get started here with just simple marches, warm up the legs and the hips. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms. Exhale and lower arms. Exhale, lower. All right, we're gonna do just a few gentle hip hinges. Pushing those hips back. Squeezing at the top. Come to center. We're gonna start with some very gentle squats. I'm gonna be using the chair for support. So you're going to widen your leg just slightly. You wanna focus on dropping down using the glutes and your core for stability, keeping your back straight. About slowing down the exercise, squeezing at the top. Push through your heel up, squeeze. Really breathing in and out from your belly. Go as low as you can comfortably. You can go halfway, making sure you're not sacrificing form. All right, we're gonna take a break here. We're gonna still use the chair for support. We're gonna be doing some hip extensions, really keeping that core engaged, driving the movement from your hip back, making sure you're not overarching the lower back, keeping your upper body stable, and all movement initiated from the hip. Squeeze at the top and slowly back down. Keep those hips level. And we'll switch sides. Be mindful of your lower back. Focus on your breathing. Really feel those glutes working. Let's just do a few more reps. All right, and we'll take a break here. So we are gonna be repeating this exercise, but next time we're going to bend at the knee to really focus on those contractions and disengage the hamstrings. All right, whenever you're ready, we'll switch sides. Bend at the knee. We're just gonna kick the heel back and back to center. Again, focusing on that glute squeeze. Really focus on that standing leg as well. Just don't let that hip drop. Make sure your hips are level. Take a break whenever you need to. Reset and resume the exercise. All right, take a break, switch sides. Bend at the knee and push the heel back, squeeze back to center. Really connect with your glute muscle here. Feel it working. This really helps if you spend a lot of time sitting. This can be a really great mind-muscle connection exercise. Let's just squeeze in a few more reps. And take a break. So let's just shake it off a little bit. All right, we're gonna be doing some assisted lunges, really gentle. Get those glutes working again. We're gonna hold the chair, leg back. We're going to stay upright. Slowly come back down and up. Really focusing here on that glute squeeze. You go as low as you can comfortably without pain. If you're able to just go a little bit lower, if not, that's fine. What we're aiming for is that squeeze at the top and really feeling your glutes working. All right, let's switch sides. Again, keeping it upright, lower back stable, dropping down and up. You can do gentle lunges. You can go a little bit lower if it's comfortable for you. So we're gonna move the chair aside. Take a deep breath in. We're gonna move to the last exercise here. We're gonna be doing some front to back gentle squat walks. Keep that core here engaged. We're going to drop slightly into a low, gentle squat. Just gonna march forward and back. Make sure to push with your heels. Core engaged. And take a deep breath in. We are gonna do just a few stretches here for the glutes seated. Let's just stretch. And side lower back. Gonna feel a nice stretch in the calf muscles on the side of your lower back. You can gently lean forward while keeping your back straight, feeling a nice stretch in the hip. Spend more time on the area that feels tighter. I really hope you've enjoyed this routine today. You can feel your glutes working. Feel free to repeat this another time if you're up to it. Otherwise, this is enough to activate and strengthen your glutes, and I hope it helped you get some relief and also get a really good glute workout. So thank you guys for joining me today. I will see you in the next routine.